Tired of a wonky keyboard making your typing a total struggle? Let's dive right in, and I'll show you how to reset your keyboard settings in Windows 11, fixing those annoying problems and getting you back to typing smoothly. First things first, we're heading straight into the Settings app. You can usually find it by clicking the Start button in the bottom left corner, then searching for Settings, or look for the cogwheel icon and click it to launch. Inside Settings, look for and click on the Time and Language category. It's usually got a clock and a globe icon. Next, select the Typing option. This is where we'll find the keyboard settings. Look for the Advanced Keyboard Settings option and click on it. Within Advanced Keyboard Settings, you should see options like Override for Default Input Method. Don't mess with those just yet. We're focused on a broader reset. Unfortunately, Windows 11 doesn't have a single Reset Keyboard Settings button. However, if you've been having problems, the best thing to do is to go through each of these settings and ensure the functionality is enabled. For example, check your caps lock indicator and make sure it is toggled on. Also, you can revert to your system settings using Windows 11 Troubleshooting. You can access this by searching for Troubleshoot Settings. Type Troubleshoot Settings into the Windows search bar and navigate to the control panel. From here, you can choose from multiple troubleshooters and select the keyboard troubleshooter to look for issues. And there you have it. While there isn't a single reset button, adjusting the settings mentioned can resolve keyboard problems, optimize your typing, and make your Windows 11 experience much better. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Windows 11 tips.